How Sabu First connects job seekers and employers.
Introduction to Sabu First Limited. Employers get access to smart tools to post jobs, filter applications, and track progress. Smart Resume Builder. Recruiter access and support. Job alerts for candidates. Freelance and remote jobs section. Special programs and categories for underrepresented communities. Assistance is provided to help employers set up their profiles, post jobs, and learn to use the platform efficiently. Application tracking system. Users can view their application history, interview progress, and feedback from companies. Multimedia resumes and portfolios. Employer hiring metrics dashboard. Job seekers can choose which employers can view their profile or keep it private. www.saaboufirstltd.com